Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys my full hair wash routine, from shampooing to conditioning and styling. Okay, so I'm just adding a bit of water to my hair and putting my hair up in twists so it's easier to shampoo. Now I'm applying the Bais Awa Moisture Replenish shampoo to my hair. I'm mostly applying it to the roots of my hair because that's where I'll be focusing on when I wash. Going in with a little bit more. So I start washing the back of my hair. I just focus on the roots of my hair and try to scrub in and slowly massage the shampoo downwards into the rest of my hair. After washing a portion of my hair, I just twist it out. You don't have to use twists, but I'm just using twists because I don't have the bulldog hair claws. So if you've got one of those, well some of those, it's much easier for you, and you end up manipulating your hair less. So I continue to shampoo my hair, concentrating on my roots and working my way out down to my ends. Now I'm adding some water to wash off the shampoo. Okay, so I decided to shampoo my hair twice because my hair was really dirty. So depending on how dirty your hair is, you can shampoo twice. So now I'm going in with twists because I'm going to be adding my DIY hair butter into my hair. So I'm going in with my hair butter and just massaging it into the strands of my hair. Whilst applying the hair butter, I try to finger detangle on my hands. So I'm just separating my hair strands and making sure, I apply it to every part of my hair. And when I'm done, I twist it up and pull in a clip. So the clips I have, that's why I don't really use them whilst washing my hair. Okay, so I'm just repeating the same process with the rest of my hair. In case you're wondering what type of hair butter this is, I mixed some Amla powder with Moringa powder and some Peppermint, shea butter, and a couple of oils. I mixed them together and used an electric whisk to blend them into this fine texture. I will be putting the products I used in the description box. Now I'll just apply some of the butter to my edges, front and back, and the places where the butter didn't touch. And now I'm going in with a nylon wrap. You could use a shampoo cap if you want, and I'm leaving it for about 30 minutes. Okay guys, so I'm back and I'm just unraveling the twists. My hair feels really soft because it's been deep conditioned. So I'm just separating the twists. Now I rinse off my hair with some water and I go back in with some shampoo to wash off the residues. The shampoo is a hydrating, moisture retaining shampoo and it's really good. It's also infused with coconut and olive oils. Now I'm just rinsing off the shampoo, then I'm going to go in with some moisturizing conditioner. You don't have to, shampoo and condition your hair so much if you're not doing the deep conditioning. I'm only applying the hair conditioner again because I have low porosity hair, so it's hard for my hair to retain moisture. So to make sure the conditioner sinks well into my hair, I just twist it up You can just massage it and use hair clips. So I let the conditioner sit in my hair for about 5 minutes before I start unraveling my twists. And I just massage the conditioner well into my roots. Now I rinse off my hair. Okay, so that's my hair written. My hair is all clean now. If you're wondering how long my hair is, it's about that length. So I'm back now and I'll be styling my damp hair. I'm just using my hands to stretch it out a bit. Now I'm going in with some leave-in conditioner. I like to add some peppermint oil into my conditioner. I'm detangling my hair with my hands whilst I massage the conditioner into my hair. I mostly concentrate on the roots of my hair and then apply it downwards to the tips of my hair. I'm going in with a bit of water because my hair was quite dry. Not too dry, but it was damp, but it was getting dry. And I start combing my hair now. From the bottom, slowly I work my way up to the top of my hair. When combing your hair, it's best to use a wide tooth comb so you're less likely to have hair breakage. I prefer using this comb. It's from my hair dryer, although I don't really apply heat to my hair anymore, but yeah, it's a comb that I really find easy to use, so yeah, you could try it. Now I'm twisting up my conditioned hair, just massaging in the conditioner to make sure it stays in. Okay, so I'll be repeating this process to the rest of my hair. So add some conditioner, spray some water, then use my hands to separate my hair to detangle, and then go in with a comb and comb from the tip to the root of my hair, slowly working my way up. If your hair is really conditioned and if it's healthy as well, you shouldn't have much breakage. When in my hair, I try to avoid touching the tips of my hair, so I just curl them up, as you can see. Also, when washing, it's best to avoid, touching the tips of your hair because they're quite fragile, so they're really likely to break. I mean, don't touch your hair a lot, but yeah, mostly don't touch the tips of your hair because they would snap in 2 seconds. So I'm going in with some water and repeating the same process. Now I'm going in with some Baobab and Argan oil, just using it to seal in the moisture. After applying the leave-in conditioner into my hair, I didn't have to twist it. You don't have to if you don't want to, but I prefer to. So now I'm just massaging these oils into my hair. They're really light oils, so I go in with shea butter, also from B&A, and I massage it into my hair because shea butter is a thick oil, so it goes over the light oils and really seals in the moisture in my hair. I really focus on conditioning, on deep conditioning and sealing in moisture because my hair, as I said earlier, is low porosity. I was going to put my hair up in a bun, but I changed my mind, so now I'm going in with a comb. So I've decided to braid it and just parting the middle of my front hair into two. You could use a comb to have defined cuts, but I really don't bother about it, so I'm just using my hands to demarcate my hair and braid out sections. Portioning my hair into 3 parts, I braid down, as you can see, and then I take the next section of my hair and repeat the same process. When I get to the tips of my hair, I just curl them up using my fingers, and then I repeat the process until I'm done braiding the rest of my hair. As you can see, the front of my hair is not evenly portioned, so it's best to use a comb to demarcate your hair, but I just can't be bothered, so I just do it like this because I really don't wear my hair out. Guys, so after washing and styling, this is how much breakage I got. So this is the final look. So if you did enjoy the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Cheers!